Welcome to the video that will demonstrate how to do some basic operations using Adobe Express. So what I've done is I added this girl in here and I added the cat onto this background image. So I'll go ahead and close it out and I'll go to Adobe Express to log in. I already signed in, so I can go ahead and choose sign in here for prior version. I do want to point out that I have 3 images in my downloads folder. I have a background, I have a cat, and I have a girl that I will put that image together. I will choose the plus sign in the upper left corner. I will choose from photo. I will click on browse on your device and go to the downloads folder and open up that background image and choose start with this photo. Once the photo is open, I will go ahead and go to the photo option on the left-hand side. I will choose upload photo and I will click on the little girl. Now, as you can see, it has a background. This is what I love about Adobe Express. All you do is select the image, choose remove background on the right-hand panel, and it will literally get rid of that background, which is amazing. So I'll hit enter to accept it, and I'll go ahead and drag her to the bottom. I will drag and make her a little larger so it's proportionate. Now I'm going to go add the kitty cat. So I will choose photos, upload photo, click on the kitty cat, do the same process, clicking on it, remove background, hit the enter key to accept it, and I'm going to want to flip the cat. So I want to flip the cat so it's facing the other direction, so I will select it and it will come over here where it says flip horizontal. As you can see, there's also flip vertical. There's also this option to duplicate if you want and to layer order. So for example, see how the cat is in front of the girl? You can come up here and choose down. Now the cat is behind her. Just a little tip if you wanted to layer these. So you just want to come in and really play. Well, I'm going to flip it, so I'll click on it. I will flip it horizontally, and now everything looks proportionate. So when you're happy with the image, you would choose the download in the upper right corner. I'll keep it as a PNG. I will start download and it will be in my downloads folder to be able to use it for projects. This concludes the lesson on how to do some basic image manipulations using Adobe Express. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.